This video will give you a basic understanding of the life cycle. Documents are digital or physical files created or received by organization as part of its everyday business activities. This can include emails, memos, reports, presentations, spreadsheets, or any other type of content. Documents are used for collaboration, communication, and sharing information. These are your working documents. At some point, the document is no longer needed for active use, such as when a project ends. This means the document will transition to a different stage and becomes a record. A record manager will tag each document with the retention label, either manually or through automation. The documents then move to a secure repository where they are locked and stored for the duration of their retention period. During this time, no one collaborates on these records. After retention period ends, records are destroyed, and this will be document's end of life event. Some records undergo a disposition review process before destruction. Alternatively, records can be moved to the archive storage after their retention period ends. Records are documents recognized for their lasting value and importance. They serve as proof of past activities and must follow retention policies to meet legal, regulatory, and organizational requirements. Some organizations may call all types of files records, even when they are in the document stage. But there is a difference between active working documents and those formally declared as records.